Next is sketch. In simple word, we can say that a sketch is a freehand map which is drawn from observation rather than the exact survey measurement. So sometime a map is drawn without any scale. Without any scale means freehand movement from observation rather than from the exact measurement. It can be say that a sketch is a rough drawing which is drawn without using a scale or any conventional sign or a symbol. Such a map is called a sketch. The shape of the sketch represent the shape of the landscape. They are visible way to representing information. We can get a lot of information by using the sketch. So sketch is drawn without a scale. Suppose your friend has invited you to his or her house for a lunch. So he may make a rough drawing for you to reach his house, and he will show in the drawing in which the name of the street, the name of the road, and some arrows to show where to turn. And he will also show various landmarks like nearby their home is a post office, a cinema, and a hotel. That will be help you to find his house very easily. So such a drawing is called a sketch. Here a picture of a figure of a sketch in which nearby a school, temples, river, the main road, and here the Vasantpur area. So simple words we can say that a sketch is a drawing mainly based on a spot observation and not to scale, not depend on the scale means the actual measurement. So sketches may help a person to reach an unknown place. For example, you don't know about your school way, so sketch help you to reach the school very easily. For example, you have to go your friend's friend home or school, then sketches are helpful in which we can specify the various buildings nearby that place. Next is plan. Sometimes we need the actual detail measurement. As I told you earlier, in sketches, it is not compulsory to mark the actual measurement, but in plan, we marked only actual detail measurement of a landscape or a building. Under such cases, we need a plan. When we require the actual detail measurement, then we use a plan. A plan is a detailed drawing of a small area on a large scale. So it is based on the actual measurement taken on the ground, and detailed plans are made by the architects. For example, if we want to construct our home, then firstly we make a plan. It means a plan is the detailed drawing of a small area on a large scale. And I am giving you one example. If you want to show your school building to your friend, okay, you would like to show the assembly hall, the many rooms, the language labs, and the other features of your school. So you also be interested to show how big your classroom is. For this, you would require a plan, not a map, as you are interested to show the small details of your school. So, unlike a map, a plan can show the length and the breadth of a room. Uh, at that case, we use plan. And the scale of the map is different from the map. Generally, a map represents a large area, so it is drawn on a small scale. Okay, but on the other hand, a plan represents a very small area and it is drawn on a large scale. Okay, so we use a plan. Here the differences of map, I explained you map, sketch, plan, and globe. Firstly, I explained you globe. a globe is a three-dimensional scale and the model of the earth. A globe is known as the model of the earth. Okay. Second is map. A map is the representation of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Okay. Or we can say on a small area. Sketch means freehand movement, freehand map, or roughly drawing which is drawn from observation rather than the exact survey measurement. But if we compare plan, then plan which are drawn on a very large scale and required the actual measurement. Okay.